it's Friday, and we got the backhoe going here. We're in Deere, we have just enough fuel, and Eric is demanding a little bit of work here. So, filled up the tire. What do you want to do, Eric? Oh, you want to dig some snow. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll do a little digging of snow. There we go. See how this goes. It's a little hard to do one-handed, but basically I just kind of set the bucket so that corner is set so that the bucket is level with the ground. So it should be just doing a little bit of snow moving, not much. I guess I got to tilt it down a little bit to really make it dig in. But I don't want to dig the ground up too much. So, and now I can lift it as I'm moving along here and move some snow. That's what we're doing here. Pretty good. And then I'll just push it over here. And Eric just loves this kind of stuff. But anyway, yeah, everybody should have a backhoe, right? Because in the end, and it was like 40 degrees today, so now we got some nice snow. And just dump it into piles, all this kind of fun stuff. But over here, we got some dirt that he wants me to dig. So we'll do a little bit of that. And get that done, because, things are important around here. We have business to do. Not really. It's all fun though. There's a pile of dirt and sticks. Half frozen, half melted. We'll see how this goes. There we go. Got a bunch of it. Gnarly stuff scooped up. You see the snow and ice mixture and dirt. Oh, it's just so fun to watch this stuff go. Oh my goodness. So we'll just move over here and straighten that back a bit. That sounds about right. And there we go. We got a nice little pile left. Alright, now what, Eric? What? More? No, he wants more. He always wants more. It's a hard driving boss I have here. And we'll scoop it up again. See, he just thinks it's the greatest thing ever. And dump it down. There we go. Okay, now we're done. Yeah. Alright. But otherwise, let's see what else is going on back here. Well, we have the snow pile for sledding over here, and I built it way up. The warmth came. It was like 70, not quite 70. It was like 60-something degrees for 2 days. Melted everything. Then more snow came, and so that's where we are. I'll throw some more snow on it though, because that's fun, right? So I'll just kind of angle this down, dig it down a bit. Try not to dig away the earth. If the snow falls after it's been warm, like the ground is warm, I can't dig too far into it. It'll scoop the turf. So, but this was frozen for a bit before it snowed again, so we should be in pretty good shape. Grab some snow here. There we go. Watching for my boy back there. He's all good. He knows how to stay out of the way. And we'll just go and dump it up over here. Thought I grabbed more snow than that, but that's okay. But yeah, this is the kind of stuff we do to have fun. Now it's dusk, and luckily a nice clear day though. See the sun's at the tips of the trees. And it's about 4:15 or so, 4:20. There we go. Have a good day. All right, now it's Evan's turn to use the backhoe. He's got the brake. That's not the gear shift. Gear shift's over here, dude.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, this shove it forward to go into low.
Okay, well,
Yeah. There you go. You might want to lift the loader up before you start going anywhere. There we go. Yeah, I guess we gotta teach a teenager how to do these things. Keep it, that's fine. Just go slow. He's dug the backhoe before and hasn't done a lot of front end work, but we'll get there. There you go. Hydrostatic transmissions are wonderful things. Alright. Devin got some more snow. That's how we built the snow pile.